Hello and welcome to Stock Market College. Learn to trade. What are we doing? We are going to talk about how you can earn while you learn. Who am I? My name is Hardus van Pletsen and I am the Chief Executive Officer of Stock Market College and Quick Trade. Who is Quick Trade? Quick Trade is the broking firm that work with Stock Market College, and this is the firm that you'll use to trade with while you're a student with Stock Market College. Here's my cell phone and WhatsApp number. If you want to communicate with me, it's available to you. So what is the agenda for this video? We're first going to talk about why you're not rich. A lot of people don't understand why that is the case. What's the difference between a direct and an indirect investor? Market performance. We're going to talk about the past that predicts the future. Trading basics, how the markets work. I'm going to show you trading signals so that you can earn while you learn. We're going to talk about a practical trade. Let me move my screen to the side. And then we're going to talk about a comparison. What should I do? How should I be making money? So that's our agenda for the video. I want to first start with banks and policies. This is something that we have been told to invest in since we were kids. I think all of you know that your parents would say save money in the bank, but this is the reason why you're not rich. So I'm going to do a practical exercise and show you something that I'm confident you've not seen before. Let's get started. I'm going to take someone and say you've got an investment of 5,000 Rand. You've been told to put this money in the bank. And if you go to the bank these days, you're going to be lucky if you get 6% per annum. Now, I want you to help me here. I want you to take your cell phone. I want you to open the calculator on your cell phone. What I want you to do is put 5,000 Rand into the calculator. Remember, this can be dollars or Kenyan shillings or any other currency. It's all the same. It's the idea behind this calculation that's important. So I hope you've got your calculator on your cell phone open. And I am getting you to do the calculation so that you can see it with your own eyes. Put your 5,000 Rand into the calculator, press the plus sign, press 6, press the percentage sign, and press equal. If your math is done correctly, you're going to have 5,300 Rand. So now is the question, how much profit did you make? It doesn't take a genius to take 5,300 Rand, the money you have now, and minus from there the 5,000 you started with, and the answer you'll give me is my profit is 300 Rand. The key word here is per annum. We're going to talk about that in a lot of detail shortly. So how many days are there in a year? 365 days. We all know that. So what I want to do is I want to take the 300 Rand in profit that you've made, and I want to say let's divide this by 365 days so that you can see how much money you made per day. So take your calculator, enter 300 Rand in there, and then divide it by 365 days. If you do the math correctly, you'll see that you've made 82 cents a day. So here comes the interesting questions. How long did it take you to make the 300 Rand? It took you a year. What did you need to start with? 5,000 Rand. It's a big sum for some people. Did you have access to the money over the year? No, you didn't. The money was stuck in the bank. My next question to you would be, what can you do with 300 Rand once a year, or 82 cents a day? Yeah, give me examples. Can you go and have dinner for 2 people at the Spur? I don't think so. Is it worth it? If you're honest, you're going to say no. And my question is going to be, well, why are you doing it? Well, people are doing it because they don't know any better. They don't know what other options are out there. Now, you're interested to learn to trade. You came to Stock Market College because you want to improve your knowledge. You want to start making money. So what I've just done now is I've showed you the before picture. how not to make money. So let's take it one step further. I want to explain to you why people don't make money. So here is an investor, someone sitting with these 5,000 Rand. What most people do, they run off to the bank and they go and save the money there, and they get this measly interest rate, as you saw earlier. And what the bank now does is they work with financial advisors, financial managers, asset managers, who give the money to portfolio managers, stockbrokers. And what you actually do is the bank takes your money, and a large portion of it lands up in the stock market anyway, with trading. Why are you getting such a poor return? None of these people work for free. All of them take a cut of the fees along the line. And who's actually paying them? Not the bank. The bank's paying them with your money and the profits from there. So what am I saying to you? If you have the correct knowledge, what you do is you're a student of Stock Market College, you become a client of a Quick Trade, you open a trading account here, we use MetaTrader 5, or you use our new platform Match Trade, and you do what we call direct trading. You take charge and control of it yourself. You're not giving your money to other people to do something with it, and they then charge you a lot of fees. So let me take you one step further from this. How has the market performed? I took some screenshots on a cell phone, just of some sort of articles and what they are saying. Here is an article, it's old, but it's still valid. 2021 was a solid year for investors in shares, with the JSE All Share Index offering a return of 29%. Here you can see these companies, how their share price grew by, in a year, 143%, 141%. Compare that to the 6% that you're getting in the bank. Let me move a step on. So what I want to do now is teach you some trading basics. We have a chart here. We're measuring time at the bottom. We're measuring rands and cents over here. It can be dollars or Kenyan shillings or Zimbabwe dollars or whatever you want it to be. But what we do is when we look at the markets, we will see that the prices of, if it's shares or indices or commodities or currencies, these prices will fluctuate up and down over a period of time. I like to say we call this the market cycles. Now these cycles are never as smooth as I show you on the chart here, but we'll get back to that. That creates even more opportunities for us. So what's the big deal about showing you market cycles? Well, these movements create opportunity. Let me move this out of the way so you can see better. What you need to know is the market will move up, it'll move down, or it'll move sideways. That happens all the time. So you're either making money, losing money, or it's staying the same. As I said earlier, these movements create opportunity. What you want to do if you want to make money, like with anything else, buy something low at a cheaper price, sell it at a higher price, and you make that profit. You don't want to be in the market when the price comes down. You want to buy low and sell high. So there's no difference between owning a spaza shop, buying a 2 liter of milk for 10 Rand and then selling it for 15 Rand. It's the same concept and the same idea. We trade. We buy low and we sell high. We'll also teach you in the course to sell high and buy low. Don't let it confuse you now. We'll get there and we'll teach you all these techniques. So let's move one step further. When people start with us on the course, the biggest challenge is that they want to make money ASAP. Or as one of my clients said to me the other day, I want to make money SAPS. So I had to explain to him that that's the South African Police Service. And it is actually ASAP, as soon as possible. But what we do, we work together with Quick Trade, our preferred broker. And when you're a client of Stock Market College, Quick Trade will send you trading signals. Now here are examples of trading signals. This trading signal will arrive on your cell phone, on your MetaTrader 5 or Match Trade. And even if you don't know a lot, all you have to do is follow the instructions and follow these trades. I have to tell you up front, not all of these trades will be profitable, but it doesn't really matter. If you make money more often than what you lose, you'll become rich. We'll spend a lot more time teaching you about trading signals, the markets, analysis, charts, All of those things are covered in the course material. But let's go a little step further. Here is a screenshot, a trading signal for multi-choice, or DSTV as we call it in South Africa. It was sent on the 13th of July at 12:51. It says it's a quick trade trading signal. And what this trading signal says, if I could move this again, is a buy at this price. That's at the bottom. Your target price at the top's that. Stop loss is this. We obviously teach you things like stop loss with our course. And if you want to see the SMS policy, you go there. So let's go and put this in perspective. Let's have this chart or graph again. And what we now say is we know that the thing fluctuates, these prices. And our analyst has now said, or the analyst at Quick Trade has now said, buy at the bottom at 108 Rand 50 and sell at the top at 124 Rand and 6 cents. So what you would now do, I'm going to show you the practical example on the next page. You would say, okay, I'm going to follow these instructions. Let me take 5,000 Rand and I'm going to divide it by 108 Rand and 50 cents. Why am I going to do that? I need to know how many shares I would buy. So let me reverse the process. Imagine here, you've got your 5,000 Rand. You're going to buy the shares at 108 Rand and 50 cents. So you've got to take the 5,000, divide by 108.50, and that will then give you 46 shares that you own. Now, during the course of the day, the price of those shares will increase. Your 46 shares stay the same. You don't get more shares because the price go higher. The only thing that happens is the price is going higher. And if you sell these shares now when it hits the target price, you would still have the 46 shares and you multiply it by 124 Rand and 6 cents. And if you do that on your calculator, on your cell phone with me, you'd see that it turned into 5,737 Rand. So what is your profit? Doesn't take a genius to take the 5,737 Rand minus 5,000, and that will give you a profit of 737 Rand. So what are the questions we're going to ask here now? How long did it take you? Well, you could make this kind of money in a day. What did you start with? It's the same 5,000 Rand as you did in the bank. Do you have access to this money? Of course, you can withdraw money from your trading account daily, as often as you like. What can you do with 737 Rand? Hell, not much, but a hell of a lot more than your 82 cents that you made in the bank. Is it worth it? I'm going to say yes. Why are you not doing it? Well, your stumbling block is your lack of knowledge. Right now, you might not have the confidence to get into the market. You're clever enough to know and realize that if you want to be successful at something, you need the education. And that's why you came to Stock Market College. But I'm going to take you another step or two forward. Let's make that comparison. In the bank, your 5,000 Rand is making you 82 cents a day. With trading, you could be making 717 Rand in a day. Which one? Choose. Very important question I'm asking you now. Do you want to stay where you are and make the kind of money that you've made until now, which will never make you rich? Or do you want to make a change? I bet you're thinking you want to make a change. I'm going to show you a few more things. It's actually quite shocking. And I don't want to overdo it, but I find it so frustrating that people don't take action. Everyone has heard of people making money on the stock market. Everyone's heard of people losing money on the stock market and trading. Currencies, commodities, all of these things that we teach you in the course. We even teach you about cryptocurrency trading. But what you need to know is, what is the difference? Why are some people always successful and others are not? Well, the difference is trading knowledge. It's like anything else. Why can someone drive a car better than another person? Or someone who doesn't have a license? It's because you had the training, you have education, you have experience. Now you can make a success. So let me show you more of a direct comparison. I said here, and I didn't want to like play the PowerPoint. It'll be like too much. In the bank, you started with 5,000, you grew it with 6%, you've got 5,300. If you divide it by the 300 profit by 365 days, it's 82 cents a day. If you multiply that by 7 days, it's 5 Rand 74 for the week, or 24 Rand 60 for the month, or 300 Rand for the year. Can you see we broke it down to from 300 Rand to what you're making per day, and we took it right back to what are you making for the year. And I'm doing that for a reason. I simply on the right hand side here went and said, listen, let's take 5,000 Rand. Let's say you trade it. Let's say you only make 200 Rand. So if you're making 200 Rand a day, that means you're going to make 1,000 Rand Monday to Friday. If you can trade and make that kind of money in a week, obviously you'll trade every week. So if you take 1,000 times 4, you're making 4,000 for the month. If you're making money in a month trading, why would you stop in February or March or July? And if you can make 4 grand every month, that puts you on the road to making 48,000 for the year. So now you can see the direct comparison. I mean, my question is, would you want to save money in the bank, or would you like to give it a go on the trading side? Make a decision. And then think about what's stopping you. Why are you not doing it already? I can tell you what's stopping you. You just don't have the knowledge and confidence to make this work. So what have I done? I've had some screenshots taken of our system and how people are trading. Here is a beginner trader. This person has made 20 trades. 5 of them he lost money, 15 he made money. He traded over 4 days. He started with 5,000. He made 3,427 Rand profit. Then I took someone with more money. Here is someone who had 118,000 in his trading account. 118,000, I said. 20 trades, 2 negative ones, 18 positive ones, made 29,000 Rand profit over 5 days. Here's someone, professional trader, 730,000 Rand in his trading account. 20 trades, lost money on 1, made money on 19, made almost 250,000 Rand in a day. Imagine that was you. How would your life change? What would you do with that kind of money? Why are you not making this kind of money? How much opportunity have you missed? Crazy. And don't be like Tom. This is such an interesting... I had to include this screenshot. Tom did not believe in education. So let me tell you the story. We had Tom come to us, and this is a real story. Tom's a real name. And he opened a trading account with us with 50,000 Rand. 2 weeks later, he lost like 24,900 Rand. So he had just over 25,000 Rand left in his account. So what we do is we phone clients when they trade, and we watch what you're doing, and then I'm going to say that we intervene. We give feedback, and we say, listen, what are you doing? Why don't you consider this? So we phoned this client, and we asked him, what's your trading knowledge on a scale of 0 to 10? It was very low. And my words to him was, I suggest that you start on one of our courses, because you need to up your education if you want to make money consistently. And he turned around and he said, your courses are too expensive. 2 weeks later, he lost the rest of his money. He closed his trading account with us, and he withdrew his last 9 Rand 92. Do you want that to be you? How does that make sense? So, I want to run through this exercise again. It's not that difficult. If you can trade and make plus minus 200 Rand on a Monday, what will you do on Tuesday? Are you going to say, I'm going to do anything? I'm going to rest? No. You'll trade again. And the same on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So 200 Rand a day is not a lot of money. But if you can make 200 Rand a day and you multiply it by 5 days, you're making 1,000 Rand a week. 1,000 Rand is not a lot of money. I've got this big red notice here. Many variables will determine your results. You need to understand that you need to spend time and effort in order to make a success of trading. You could do better or worse than the above example. I did not include screenshots because of our trading platform. I can categorically tell you today that we have clients who are making 1,000 Rand profit in a day. We have clients who are making 10,000 Rand in a day. We have clients who are making 100,000 Rand profit in a day. And I've seen people make and lose 2 million Rand in a day. Yes, I know I'm not saying anything. I want you to think about the comment that I made. I've seen people make and lose 2 million Rand in a day. Who would you like to be? The person making that kind of money or the person losing that kind of money? Education, having the correct knowledge, it's absolutely critical. You wouldn't know how to drive a car if you didn't go for training and lessons. You wouldn't know how to fly a helicopter. You wouldn't understand the game of soccer. Someone needs to show you the rules of the game and give you proper knowledge in order for you to make a success. So I'm going to take it a little bit further. We've done this exercise, but look at the concept of time over a month. If you're making 1,000 Rand a week, you don't have to be a brain surgeon to work out that 1,000 Rand a week multiplied by 4 weeks will give you 4,000 Rand a month. And then the concept of time over a year. If you're making money in January from trading, of course you're going to trade in February and March and April and every other month of the year. But 4,000 Rand a month multiplied by 12 months will give you 48,000 for the year. That's nice money. So risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. I like this picture. I thought the guy looked like a successful student of Stock Market College, and that's why I made sure that we added it to this presentation. Well, I'm done. My questions to you is, who sent you this video? Are you ready to learn? Why are you delaying? If you're serious about making money, you should be clever enough to say, I need to overcome my lack of knowledge. Get started on our courses. There are a variety of courses at different price points. And even better, as an educational institute, we provide student loans to our clients. So we get people from all sorts of walks of life that sign up with us. Someone who's just left school and wants to make trading their living and career. I was so excited. Yesterday we had a testimonial video from one of our traders, a retired lady of 68. So it doesn't matter who you are, where you're from, how old you are, what your background is. Learning to trade is an equal opportunity. Let's get you started. Thank you for watching this video.